Find the mean and mode of the following distribution. Here the class intervals and their corresponding frequencies are given. We have to find out the mean and mode of this distribution. Here this is Fi, frequency Fi is given, and the class mark Xi, we can write it as class mark is the upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So first one will be equal to 7.5, second is 22.5, next is 37.5, 52.5, 67.5, 82.5 and 97.5. These are the class marks of these class intervals. Now we have to find first we have to find out the mean. The formula for the mean is that is sum over of Fi Xi divided by Fi, sum of Fi. This will give you the mean of the distribution. Now a sum of Fi Xi by Fi, if you are going to calculate, then it will be tedious. It will take more time because Xi is in the decimal form. If you multiply again you will add, it will take time. So we will do it by assumed mean method. That means we will not use this formula. What we will use? We will use assumed mean formula. Assumed mean formula is the mean of the distribution by assumed mean method is x bar is equal to the assumed mean. We take assumed mean as A plus sum of Fi di by Fi, Fi di by sum of Fi. This is the formula by assumed mean method. Fi's are given. What is di? First we have to choose A. A is the assumed mean. You have to choose assumed mean in such a way that it should come around the middle of the class intervals. This around 7 class intervals are given here. You take the middle one, that means this one, this class interval you will take, and so its Xi will be equal to 52.5. That means you assume the mean as now A is equal to 52.5. What is di? Di is equal to Xi minus the assumed mean. Now we will get Xi minus A. That means first one will be 7.5 minus 52.5. It will be equal to minus 45. Similarly, it will be equal to minus 30, minus 15, 0. Again 67.5 minus 52.5. It will be equal to plus 15. Again 30. This is 45. These are the di's. Now we have to calculate di Fi. That is Fi di. Fi di will be first one for minus 45 into 9. Fi, this is di. F1 d1. Second one is F2 d2, like this. So first one will be 45 minus 45 into 9, that is equal to minus 405. Second one is minus 450 minus 525, 0, 165, 39, that is 390, and 680 plus 85, that is 765. Now if you add all this, we will get sum of Fi di. sum of fi di will be equal to minus 60, and sum of fi, if you will write sum of fi now, here we will get sum of fi. Sum of fi is 24, 59, 89, 79, 90, 120. 24, 59, 79, 79 plus 11, 90, 30, 120. So now you will get x bar, that is mean. Mean is equal to assumed mean and the mean deviation. Di is the deviation and mean deviation is a plus d bar. D bar is the mean deviation and d bar is equal to sum of fi di divided by sum of fi. So mean will be equal to, in place of a we will write 52.5 plus fi di, sum of fi di will be equal to sum of fi di will be equal to minus 60 divided by sum of fi is 120. So this is equal to 52.5 minus 0.5, or this will be equal to 52. This is the mean of this distribution. Okay, now you have to calculate the mode of the following distribution. To calculate mode, what we have to do? In this case, we have to find out the modal class first. This was the first part. We have to find out the mean. This is equal to mean. Now we have to find out the mode of this distribution. For mode, first we have to choose the modal class. The modal class is having the highest frequencies, that is 30 to 45. This is the modal class. For modal class, corresponding frequency is called f1. This is f1. So this will be, f0 is the frequency of the preceding class, whereas f2 is the frequency of the next class, subsequent class. Next, the formula for mode is L plus, mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f2 minus f0 into class height, that is class size. So here L is equal to the lower class limit of the modal class, which is 30, plus f1 is 35 minus f0 is 15 divided by 2f1 is 70 minus f2 is 20 and f0 is 15 into class height or class size is equal to 15. So now this will be equal to 30 plus 20 into 15 divided by 35. If you will simplify it, this is 3, this is 7, so 30 plus 60 by 7. So it will come to be 30, this is plus 7, 8 is 56, 40, 7, 5, 35, 5, 7, that is 38.57. This is the mode of the following distribution, mode of the given distribution. This is the mode. So mean is 52 and mode is 38.57.